AI Boardroom audience public. I'm going to mute myself in like a minute and we can talk about. Guys, we're here with Ian Borders. He sold his company to the Thai government in 2012? 2014. He sold his business to the Thai government. Got the boardroom right here. We got a call at 10, which is like 45 minutes from now, getting our SOC 2 compliance for Cyndra. But we're going to be talking to Ian. Cool. I'm going to mute myself. We'll see how many people are on Twitter. How many is it? 2 people on Twitter. Got my mom and my dad. Let's go. 4 people. And now it's slowly. Need a better angle. But chat. Hey, Johan. How's it going? Rhythm Vibes 18. Okay, I'm going to mute myself, guys. That way we can talk about... let's see. I'm going to get Instagram set up first, and then I will... Instagram stream key. We'll see if Instagram gets set up. Yes, Instagram should be sending data. I got a call at 9:45. You can see, because that's someone who we did like a pilot for and then pitching them on an AI department. You can see the approach, how I do the sales call. Hear your feedback. Maybe I'm underselling, maybe I'm overselling. I think I'm doing good. I think I'm overselling it. Yes, go live, muted and call. What does it say? I need to add and say, where are you from? I'm from San Francisco, California. There's like one Cyndra AI Boardroom. Yes, there we go. We're live on everywhere. I should probably put it where they can see you as well somehow. The books. It's okay. I'm gonna. I'll put it back out for the content. Yeah, guys, check out Kybernesis as well. I'll put the link up in the caption. That way, you guys can check out Kybernesis. We partner with them for memory for our AI agents. I should check them out. There's like 20 people now in the live. Some of the last ones I've done have got up to like a couple thousand. 1,000, not a couple. 1,000, just 1,000. Yeah, 15. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna. I guess we'll see.
So what's it like? It seems like you're getting like a lot of. How are you deciding your pricing? You just throwing random ass numbers out?
Nah, so a lot of it is like figuring out who the company is that we partner with, and then like seeing their scale. So like that one that I just showed you, they have $2 billion assets, 2 billion assets under management. So we know that they can afford. So with that, like if we go to them and say like, hey, 10K a month, they're going to be like laughing at us. Like they won't, like the contracts that they see with tech companies are way bigger. So that's why we quoted a higher price. And then for some of them, like if we don't really know, we'll just quote them higher. Like one of the people that we closed quoted them 20K at first. And then he was like, whoa, that's a little out of my budget. And then on the call, I just figured out what he was at. And then we closed him for a 3-month engagement at 7,500, building out like a full customer support agent for his e-commerce brand.
So just little basic agents you're doing some just basic agent stuff, right?
Yeah.
Not full like
organizations.
Stuff or anything, right?
Some like AI organizations almost. Yeah, we are doing some AI organization like this.
But you're not assigning every person like
an agent.
Like an engineer to oversee them.
Not really.
It's just like people who require like larger contracts.
Usually like the department leads will each get like a deep discovery call with them. We'll understand what they're doing. And then we have like, depending on the client size, they'll either have one dedicated AI engineer or they'll have like 2, and they'll just build out the agent. So like for this 3-month engagement where it's customer support agent, we want to build the actual customer support agent. And then that'll probably
So
be
it's like a
done.
full 3-month engagement.
Yeah,
Is it a per month price?
yeah, per month price,
How much is that
7,500.
per month?
Yeah, so 22,500 in total, and they commit to it where because the goal is that in 1 month, yes, we can build an agent, but the iteration process of the agent actually doing like 80% of the customer support, that's not going to be done in 1 month. Like we build the agent, and then there's a process of the agent doing like 20% of the work, and the actual current team. He has 12 customer support representatives right now. They get like 30, no, they get like 1,000 customer support requests every single day, all via email, and they just have 12 humans behind it handling it all. Yo, someone said I'm based in Chiang Mai too. Can I come learn from you guys? Wisdom Moyo? Yes, Wisdom. You can come learn from the man, the myth, the legend, Ian Borders. Wisdom Moyo. There's a lot of meetups. If you check out luma.com, I don't know why on Instagram it's a little bit cut off because I'm not centered. Maybe just go like that. Yeah, if you check out luma.com, there's a lot of stuff there. I think that's the best way to find really, really good like meetups and stuff like that. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yeah, happy to mute. And should we discuss different stuff we can do to work? All right,
I
okay.
just gotta deal with like girlfriend stuff.
Yes.
She needs like 5 minutes of attention. She's not around today. She's in Bangkok for the night.
I see.
So make sure I'm not out doing something I shouldn't be doing.
Lloyd Crow trip. On Instagram, it's like very. I don't think they can even see it.
Okay, let's get
I'm gonna mute myself and talk to Ian. Yeah. Cyber Agent Capital. Should I unmute or just mute? Better to say muted?
yeah, mute right
Yeah.
now.
I got a call in 10 seconds with Arbinde. Yo, you got the co-founder, Jess, right here. You got the man, the myth, the legend behind ScanPay in Thailand. He sold his company to the Thai government. He's raising X amount of money for his new business. We're talking about that. I'm talking about other stuff that I probably cannot say. So I'll just mute. I got a call. I'm going to take this call right now. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Yeah. So it's already there. You can tell, just spin up a sub agent and it'll do it. It'll understand. Yeah. 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 So for text to speech, we can use like 11 labs. Jess, that would be the best thing. Like the agent talk 11 labs.
Or just like send an audio file to
Yeah.
the chat. It's not gonna like, you can't like talk to it one to one, like back and forth and be calling all the tools. Like that's not doable at this time. Like it's.
You can hear him, right?
Yeah, like it'll send you an audio file of it speaking what its results are, but like talking to it back and forth, AI, like voice to voice, with all the tool calling and everything, that's not really possible. Yeah. 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 It'll send, yeah. Build.
Okay. Yeah. We can set up. I'm not sure. Does 11 Labs give some like free credits to test out, or
Yeah.
they do? Cool.
20,000.
Oh, amazing.
Our account, should he make an ad?
We have his Gmail. We have the AI pilot Gmail. Yep, 10,000 free characters per month. Amazing. Cool. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. 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 No. What? Uh, yes. Meet context one time. That would be context. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
People,
Yeah.
and then tell the agent that it's enabled, and you can check. Actually, probably have to off as well, like log
Yeah.
Google again.
Yeah. But we have the VGE.ai at Vishal, so we can use that. Yeah. Cool. Cool. So WhatsApp seems like the Gmail thing isn't working. Text to speech, and then other than that, also contacts will sort of we'll set up where Gmail or Google Contacts is set up, and then it'll just be up to Anuj to link his WhatsApp contacts to that. Yeah, that makes sense. Uh, cool. You can join the sprint too. Yeah. Oh yes, correct. Yeah, the best transfer we have, but yeah, Google Gemini would be perfect. Yeah. Yeah. That makes sense. Cool. Um, yeah. Hmm? Yeah, I'll be there in like 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. That, yeah. Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. Um, cool. So yeah, I think that these that makes sense. Like those are good next steps, and then I can drop updates on WhatsApp. Those should be done in the next like hopefully a few hours. That way you can test it out this weekend or when you have time. Yeah. Yeah. Sounds good. Perfect. Oh, correct. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I'll send you the link right now on WhatsApp. And like, so actually, right after this call, Jess is in a call right now with a company that we're getting SOC 2 compliance for it. So I think like everything that we've done in this pilot, we would have been able to achieve a lot faster with this, with our platform. So I think that moving forward, when we do go out and deploy agents across the entire group, it would make sense to just do it on this platform. We can deploy like way, way faster. Yeah. 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 I mean, I can share my screen right now and give you a quick rundown of it. I will have to jump off in like 2 minutes, but I'll just give you a quick rundown. One thing that I want to show you is just the integrations because that's really big. Here. For Gmail, for example, it's like this is the agent that I have, and then the integrations, like we can integrate with Gmail natively. So if I just search for Gmail, I could, we'll just say this right here, um, redirect, and I could log into this all Gmail that you gave me. So it's a lot faster this way. I'm sure you know what the OAuth looks like, but like connect everything. I think you guys use S3, right? Is where, oh, so Amazon AWS isn't there, but you integrate with a lot of stuff. For the general idea is that like 99% of things we integrate directly in the platform. And then if there is something custom like S3, we can build that out. It saves a lot of time. But yeah, I sent you the link on WhatsApp. So you can sign up and then just send me the email that you used to sign up, and I'll give you some free credits so that you can test it out if you have any feedback on it. And then yeah, we're getting the SOC 2 compliant, so it'll be really good once you deploy across all the group. Yeah. For S3, I believe we just plugged in the API directly that you guys gave us, right? Yeah. 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 We have built some custom MCPs. So yeah, depending on it, I know that for like Rosia, when we integrated with you guys, it was just the API for this. But if you think that MCP would be better, we could definitely build a custom MCP around that API. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So I sent that link for the platform on WhatsApp. Shoot me your email. I'll make sure you get some free credits so you can test it out, and then I'll get back to you on that feedback that we went through, so that you can test out Anuja's agent this weekend. Cool. Thank you, Arvind. Have a good one. It's a fucking Zoom call. These guys. SOC 2 type 2.
Recording in progress. One is a point in time audit, which means as soon as you've implemented all the controls, you can go for an audit, get yourself SOC 2 type 1 certified for that specific date. The report will be valid for over a year. Then next you have to go for a recertification. Now for a type 2, it actually would or not only include the implementation, but also the operational efficiency over a period of time. So the minimum observation period that we would require is 90 days. And only after that, we can actually go for an audit for a type 2. You can go for that observation period can go up to a month, more than 12 months, but the minimum is 90 days. So based on that, I wanted to understand, have you prioritized that? Are you going for a type 1 or a type 2?
Prioritizing going for type 2.
Type 2.
Not SOC. You're not talking about SOC 2. We're talking about something else.
This is for SOC 2 or something else?
Yeah.
Is this for
Like
SOC 2?
Yeah.
SOC 2, but there's type
Yeah.
1, type 2,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
SOC 2.
Yeah, we're going for SOC 2 type 2.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. So just another thing. Do you already have an access to a Sprinto platform?
We have not.
No.
Okay. Let me share that access with you. I would require some information from your end. So I want to know, like, for whom should I create the sign up link, and then others can also join the platform, like that same person can invite.
Yeah.
So would it be for Johan, would it for you, or
Okay for
just
Johan.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me do that.
Do you have his email? You should,
I
right?
think I should have that on the calendar, but
Yeah.
if you can, paste it in the chat, that will be brilliant as well.
I'll drop it in the chat.
Sure.
Thank you.
And how many staff members would you have currently in your team? That it's an actual agent that works as a staff member, handling certain activities and do that. So we are not monitoring that from a staff member perspective. See, the point here is that there are certain activities that a staff member will have to do. That is policy acknowledgement, completing this
That could change
Yeah.
pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. See, like once we have the integration running, like with the email provider, whenever a new staff member joins in, it will automatically be built in the details in this Sprinto platform. And there is a new staff member, and we'll be able to monitor the checks that require for that staff member to perform.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
So that's. And have you also already selected any auditor from our end? Were you given any choice of an auditor selection?
Don't think so.
Which one's the best one?
No, it completely depends on you. Like how much you are, because the brand name that we have, like we have, a relationship with, we have partners from, EY, etc. So they will be on a very higher price band. I don't want you guys to spend a lot of money just for a software auditor, because every agency that you work with is going to give you the same report. It's just that the brand name associated, if you have not been requested that, hey, I want to see a report from this particular agency, then I think you can go with any auditor and we should be fine.
Yeah.
I'll share the details with you.
Yeah.
Like a link where you can select the auditor that works best with.
Yes.
Based on the pricing, turnaround time.
That gives
your
like the full
requirements.
breakdown of everything. That'll be amazing. I believe when we did the onboarding, we were told that one of the auditors was like $1,500.
Okay.
But if we can just get a breakdown,
Exactly.
yeah, that link would be amazing. Just breakdown of them.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Got it. So the contract date is 5th of May. This is good. Just bear with me for just a minute. I'm almost done.
No problem.
All right. So I have just shared the link in the chat. So Jean, you can use this link and sign up, or you can also share your screen. I can navigate you exactly how ready we take the process.
Cool. I just clicked the link.
Yes. It should take you to a sign up page.
Perfect. Yes. Amazing. Oh, it spelled my name wrong.
Oh,
That's fine.
It's
It's okay.
I'm sorry about that.
Oh, it's okay. Can we get a discount for that?
I wish I could.
Oh, good. I should be able to change it
But,
there.
what I can help you out is we can move along like as quickly as you want. So wherever you can schedule any number of calls with me to get your compliance journey much so faster. And that is something that I can provide.
Yes, amazing. Oh.
If you can also share your screen, so I can guide you as well. You can actually add, when it asks you to add employees, where you can add Jess as well as Ahmed.
Yeah, amazing.
Platform, so even they will have the admin level of access.
You can see my screen, right?
It's loading for me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just it's oh, cool.
Perfect. Awesome. So welcome to Sprinto once again. So every time you log into Sprinto, this is the screen that you will be coming up with. Where you will find that the frameworks that we have implemented, what is your actual readiness for the controls that we have implemented. So this percentage, that 3, don't worry about this. This will dynamically change as we start working on Sprinto. What you need to be careful is this part where we have checks. Now, the way the checks work in Sprinto is a check will go due first. If it is still not corrected, it will go critical. If it is still not corrected, then it will go failing. So failing check in an essence represents that you're not doing something that you're supposed to from a longer period of time. And that is not something that we want to show at the time of our audits. So that's what we want to maintain, the hygiene of the platform, that all checks should be passing. Even if we have some checks in due, you will not have any problems in your audit. But if a failing check is there, it will result into a question from the auditor, and you will have to justify that why was there a delay in your marking certain processing. So we just want to avoid that. If you can scroll down, just here on the platform. Yeah. So this is the section where you will find that the major number of controls that we have marked for you for different areas in your organization. So if you notice, the maximum number of controls are in your people, policies, and infrastructure. Now, if these three sections are actually completed, you're more than 80% ready on the platform for your compliance. So that is going to be our priority that we're going to set up on our end. Okay. Awesome. Lastly, let's go to the taskbar at the top that we have. There's a taskbar. Yeah. So now, once everything is implemented, Sprinto will be sending out notifications to you whenever anything is required on your end. So, for example, a new staff member joins in, then Sprinto will give you alert that we need to conduct certain, processes like background check, hiring validation for that new staff member. So, similarly, if a staff member is terminated, then Sprinto will give you an alert that hey, because the staff member had an access to this critical system, we need to revoke accesses because this person was offboarded. So these are kind of notifications that we're going to send it to you. So Sprinto is going to run under autopilot mode for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. So this is the screen you can always come up and see what is the next action item that you have to take care of on your end in order to be compliant. So this is where all the checks are coming in this section. Okay.
Yeah.
Feel free to ask questions. Just stop me and you can ask questions just in case if anything goes in.
So I think for a lot of this,
let's go to settings.
I just want to make sure, like what we were told is like it's really you guys sort of walk us through everything, right? So like after this onboarding, I might be jumping ahead, but what would the next steps sort of be? Like, is there stuff like would we get a task list all on the tasks? Like you guys would show us these are what you need to do. I know that Yash.
No, basically. So basically, I will show you the entire process. What do we require for each section?
Yeah.
What the auditors are going to look out for? What are the evidences that we are capturing? I'll show you the process how it works.
Yeah.
And once you get through everything, then Sprinto will also help you out. Like we have tried to make the platform self-served as possible. So you will find instructions and help articles everywhere that will guide you the entire steps that hey, what you need to upload as an evidence for your particular control that needs to be monitored.
Yeah.
So that's how we have created the platform for you. But I am here to help you out just in case, if you want anything, that is person needs attention and if you're confused about something. So that's where the expertise coming that, I help you out and remove that blocker from your end.
Yeah. So this whole time, if we need anything, we send you an email, right?
Yes, you can always reach out to me on an email, or if you're in Slack, you can connect over a Slack channel, and that would be also great.
Yeah, cool.
All right, so you can select your GitHub app. That's your chain
definitely connect to Slack.
Yeah. Awesome. So yeah, the first thing we'll go is to the company section where we need to provide details about what your company profile is. We have to have a logo in place because we are going to generate policy documents, which comes out of the box for you guys. So as I showed you earlier, that the major number of controls that is in policies, we need to have a logo in place. If you have that handy, we can have that uploaded. So go to edit over here. No, first we will add the company profile and make some changes there. Yeah, you can provide a legal name, the address so that we can create a letter of engagement that you can share with your customers or partners that you are engaged with Sprinto. And it's going to be just a matter of time where you get audited and get yourself a final report. And you can select the right time zone where you're operating from. This will help us to send you the right notifications on your end. Can you search for Eastern?
Oh, so good. We have some team in Bangkok as well.
Okay, got it. That's fine. All right, now this is where the logo comes in. So anything which is 256 by 256 pixels under 10 MB, that can be uploaded.
Yes.
Perfect. You can click on save changes. And this is good to go. Now under products, this is where you will provide details about your products and services that you want to keep in scope for your audience. So you need to have a product name, a website to be in place. If you have a product or an application URL, just like we have app.sprinto.com, if you have something like that, you can provide that. If you want to put your website, that's absolutely fine as well.
Amr, for this, or like just the product name, just Cyndra?
Yeah.
I can touch.
And then website where the app's actually hosted.
No, this is where your app is actually hosted. This is your main website where customers can look at your information. Yeah.
Cool.
Then we need to have a privacy policy link that should be available on your website.
Slash policy, slash privacy, yes, and slash terms.
And then we should also have a contact us page. And these are the URLs that we are looking out for. And you don't have to provide the URL link for logins, etc. If you want to, you can, but it's your call.
This contact is good. It's purely just book a call.
ideally we should have something which has an email address or a physical address or a phone number, something that they can contact you.
Cool. Well, Amr, would you be able to add that?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Like
Just
a
the
support
hello
email
email.
address could also be there, like info@thecompany.com could
Yeah.
also work.
I will add the hello email.
Perfect. Amazing. Thank you, sir.
Perfect. So you can click on save changes and we should be good with that. Awesome. This is now done. Now let's move on to integrations. So this is where we are integrating certain tools to help us monitor. So you can integrate your email provider. Is it Google Workspace? You can search for Google Workspace here. And you do have the super admin access for this, right?
I don't believe I do. Just as super admin, right?
Yes.
SOC 2 compliance. So using them because they like handhold until everything they're referred by someone. So I think now we have the $4,000.
That's it.
But then another like 2,000 for the actual audit.
Yeah.
But they do the whole hand holding, so a total of $6,000, which is like,
Why are you trying to get SOC 2? What do you need it for? You don't store any data. Oh, because of the cloud.
yeah.
You move stuff to the cloud.
And also just like it's a big selling point, honestly. Like being able to go and tell like these bigger, like some of the, like we've had 3 different people who have like cybersecurity insurance, and then we were like, oh, we're in the process of SOC 2, and they're like, oh, okay, like they're like it increases the close rate by like 20% and the barrier to entry as well. Like the product isn't too hard to build, but SOC 2 is definitely a barrier. It puts us ahead.
Posted stuff just for you.
Yes.
Do you have like 5 minutes?
Yeah, I'm gonna send this to this guy right now. Should be on Cyndra website under hero SOC 2 compliance in progress. Bro, we got a crack developer in Egypt. This guy's just
Someone's doing
shipping so fast.
the Cyndra cloud stuff.
Yeah. Just asked him something yesterday. He like sent him a screenshot, and then the guy sent something back, and Jess was like, bro, under 60 seconds from me sending the screenshot to you sending it live. It's like, bro, it takes like 40 seconds for it to deploy. I was like, bro, what the
But, you don't know if you started with something or you build all that from scratch. Or did you start with some sort of
Thai government. With the GO Ian Border, sold his last company to the Thai government.
a bit of a misnomer, directional claims.
How so? He sold the.
We sold it to. We sold the back end
To the bank?
Absorbed by the bank. So it's kind of hard to, because like Bank of Thailand didn't exist. Bank of Thailand is a conglomerate of all the top 5 banks that form. It's like everything here is association. Shit like that. I was gonna ask you if you got a minute.
Yeah, what's up? I'm gonna just go SOC 2. I'm gonna take over the world, Ian. Chiang Mai is gonna take over the world. The biggest AI companies in the world. For real. Minimum 100 million. Minimum. I want 100 million in my left pocket, 200 million in my right pocket. And I'm not talking about rupees. I'm talking about baht. We got the Go Ian right here. See some people in the chat. Yo, Cyndra, let's go. Yo, Johan, you should join our Telegram. It would help boost Cyndra AI. How do I join a Telegram safely without clicking a link? Yeah, I don't want to click a link. I hope you guys understand that. I'm not clicking a link. But Apollo, feel free to let me know. What was I talking about? I am making this Cyndra AI Instagram, so we start Facebook ads. Oh my gosh, it just says this guy's name there, bro. What the? How do we edit the name?
Edit profile. Is that your partner?
Yeah.
Oh God, that sounds so.
Yeah.
Sounds
For real. Like you don't even gotta know. You could just you see that, you're like, okay, I know where you're from. Damn, how do I change this guy's name?
I think when maybe next week when we have like the full.
Apollo, let me know how I can do that. Like reply on one of my tweets with how to do it without a link. Yeah, what was that?
When we have the full enterprise calibration ready,
Yeah.
you should come back and we should demo it to you.
Yes.
I think if you see that and how it's working, like comparatively speaking to the options, it might be something you'd rather use for non-platinum, non-SaaS platform-based tools.
Yeah. I think for all the
We're building it for full enterprise.
Yeah.
Like for, a company like CP Group or $60 billion company type situation.
Yes.
So we're building it for scale, we're building it for enterprise. You hook me up with the SOC 2 guy.
Yeah.
I might need to do that for the hosted green. The client actually just asked me if we have SOC compliance.
Who? Which client?
The Harrison.
Ah.
The
Yeah, I think that
assessment company.
like a lot of these bigger ones, and that's where it might be like friction where the founder is like, go. And then he's like, I just need my compliance team to check it.
Yeah.
And they're like,
Well,
wait, you're gonna
the
plug
way-
into
the way
like
we solve it is like I said, we can if you really want that,
Yeah.
like we can set it all up on Bedrock.
Yeah.
Set it all up in AWS on their own servers, on their own setup, and then they have full control of it.
Yeah.
Because this is what I said, like what we essentially did is we broke everything out into libraries.
Mhm.
So we could
Yeah. I don't head back.
damn kind of early. What kind of
Nah.
schedule are you on now?
Go back and work from there.
Yeah.
Yo, Apollo. Trenches and Chill. I just joined it. I can't even. Oh, verify you're human. What is your social security, bro? What?
Why didn't you tell me about that thing? You fill me in on that stuff.
What?
Yes.
Oh. Yo, Apollo. I think I just sent a message there. Are you watching? Yo, yes, sir. What's up, gents? Yo, join the live, boys. I realized that this live stream just ended on Instagram. Low key.
Bro, what the
What, did you see me like tying my shirt? You saw my foot. Yeah. Someone was saying like what's it called? Someone was saying to tie our revenue into buybacks. I was like, bro, we're gonna get raided by the SEC.
Yes, but I just don't like using it on your computer because it doesn't. You're not using Hermes. Actually, no, because like we're using Hermes to do it right now, which has access to some mission. Maybe the skills can be better so you could add the reconciliation step. I don't think I have that part. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that could be good. I just think Hermes is probably better because it knows how to set up itself.
Fix the SOC 2 issues.
We're on site with this client on Tuesday. That's gonna suck.
In Chiang Mai or? Oh my gosh, there's like a Telegram chat that someone in the live asked me to join, and I joined, and so many people messaging random stuff. By the way, guys, this is legit Cyndra AI dev. Thanks for explaining this to us. Everyone can verify via his live. A lot of people don't realize. Yeah, so many of the crypto people are like, put 20% of your company's revenue into buybacks. I'm like, bro, you want us to get rated by the SEC? Like, what? And they're like, on the landing page of your website, put the crypto CA in the hero. Like, bro, the enterprise clients are gonna come and be like, what in the world, bro? What is this? You're scared. Enterprise clients. Oh. You have a Type-C charger I can borrow by chance? Just unplug this Mac
Why
Studio.
don't you use the Mac?
Just unplug this Mac
Why
Studio.
don't you use the Mac?
This one?
Oh, you don't have the magnet?
Nah.
Why? Oh, you're on the old touch bar shit.
Yeah, 2022.
I'll get it for you.
Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Yeah.
I told Mark to give me like turbo commands, go research the turbo commands, make sure the calls aren't showing in chat and shit.
Yeah.
And he sent me a bunch of commands that just disable a bunch of tools.
No, it's all about. Are you on call with Mark right now?
I muted myself.
Tell him it's
He said, I know.
verbose.
I'm telling you he's retarded.
Bro, he's watching my live.
Huh?
He's watching my live. It's sorry, Mark. Sorry, Mark. Different Mark. Different Mark. Different Mark.
He sent me disable web fetch, disable blah blah blah, disable blah blah blah.
Buddy.
Stop.
Akio is really shitty at using their own tool.
Really?
They sent me the great to see you getting started.
How's-
How's the trial going so far? I signed up 4 hours ago, bro. Really sweet.
just get the agent to do it and then tell it to ask it like if there are just general commands that we can use to do this. Tell it it doesn't. Like you could use agent to do this, but just tell it to tell you. And then test it after chat. Do it properly. Back to restart agent. Restart agent, make sure it's changed. GPT was shipped to you. And it's very useful to tell the agent to look at their documentation before anything like that. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys finish this up. And also the last thing is that folder. So it should be in the folder. You just send it to the ask here, but the skill seems like it has some scripts as well. So just double check that. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Which maybe Joshua. Take Joshua. Okay.
I'm gonna end the stream, head back to my place
I mean,
soon.
that's easy.
I'll stream